Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things tech. Today, we're addressing a common issue: how to fix the red light on your Samsung TV. If you've been seeing that persistent red light on your TV, this video is for you. Let's get started. Seeing a red light on your Samsung TV can be frustrating. It often indicates that the TV is in standby mode and is receiving power, but isn't turned on. However, if the TV isn't responding even when you try to turn it on, there might be an issue. The first step is to unplug your TV from the power source and wait for a minute. This simple step can sometimes resolve minor technical glitches. Then, plug your TV back in and try turning it on using the power button on the TV itself, not the remote. If the red light is still there, don't worry. We have more solutions. Next, check if your remote has working batteries. A malfunctioning remote can sometimes be the cause of this issue. Also, ensure all your cable connections are secure. Loose connections can sometimes cause the TV to remain in standby mode. If the problem persists, it might be time to contact Samsung support. They can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a service repair if needed. And that's how you fix the red light on your Samsung TV. Remember, when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to professional help. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Until next time, keep it techy.